If you're a bookkeeper or CPA, you know the pain. Every month you get bank statements from clients, Chase, Bank of America, PDF files. And then you spend 30 to 45 minutes manually typing each transaction into QuickBooks, date, amount, description, category, over and over again. That's 15 to 20 hours a month wasted on copy-paste. What if you could do it in 2 minutes instead of 45? Meet Bank Parser. Upload a Chase or Bank of America PDF statement and get a QuickBooks-Ready Excel file in seconds. We support the two largest US business banks, Chase, number 1, Bank of America, number 2. Together, over half of small business banking. No more manual entry, no more typos, no more wasted hours. Let me show you how it works. Here's a Chase business statement, 47 transactions. I click Upload, select the PDF, and Bank Parser does the rest. Done, just seconds. Now let's open the Excel file. Look at this, 16 columns, ready for QuickBooks, transaction date, amount, description. And here's the magic. Counterparty name, automatically extracted. Payment type, ACH, wire, card, Zelle, detected. Category, payroll, utilities, revenue, auto-assigned, even tax ID for business payments. Running balance, calculated automatically for reconciliation. And here's something CPAs love, categories mapped to IRS schedule. C, ready for tax prep, ready for audit. Every transaction shows account type, checking or savings. Easy filtering for QuickBooks import. Internal transfers detected automatically, not counted as revenue. This is not just a PDF converter. This is a QuickBooks import file, ready to go. What does this mean for you? If you process 30 statements a month, you save 15 to 20 hours every month. For bookkeepers at $50 an hour, that's $1,000 saved. For CPAs billing $150 an hour, $3,000 a month. Bank Parser pays for itself in one statement. And with this AppSumo deal, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, forever. Stop wasting time on manual data entry. Get Bank Parser on AppSumo today. Click the button below to grab your lifetime deal before it's gone.